Hey, I want to show you guys real quick. This video is sponsored by Mystery Tackle Box. Christmas every month as far as tackle goes. You got limited edition stuff, all kinds of different lures and tackle for the season. And another great thing, it's a really good gift for a fisherman. The Pro Box, Elite or regular, but the Pro Box here, you got the different bundles, like a 3-month bundle, 6-month bundle, or even a year. But you could switch if you just want a regular, it's a little bit cheaper. But who doesn't like getting tackle every month as a gift? It's a great little thing to do for fishermen. So go check them out, Mystery Tackle Box.
Ooh, got a little upper lake midweek. Try to find some water up here.
If you need one of these, I have them right here in my bag. I have the whole setup. You got? It's a little dude. I see that little pause. Is that better? Is that striper? Is it striper? Probably. Yeah, striper. So they're coming in now. Oh, these things are so impossible though, dude. Oh, take grab. Stripey stripes. Going in now. Huh? Yeah, another skinny guy. Big mouth though. Let's see. Yes! Let's go. Spoon?
No, Sammy.
Sammy, nice. I got a net too. That was a big blow up. It's gotta be a bigger fish, right?
It's real big. It's going right at us. Oh, there's one following him too.
Alright, cool. Oh, stripies. There we go.
Look at.
You know, I'll put them in the net because it makes it a lot easier freaking getting them off the hook. They can actually.
Stripey.
Right on, right away. A little net. I think it's a bass, right? Yeah. Smoked it.
But dude, what a sick blow up.
I know.
That was.
That's, yeah, better quality for sure.
Thanks.
Yeah, dude. Oh. You have it? Dude, I just got smoked, bro.
Yeah.
He was out of the water. He missed it. That's a good one.
Let's go.
There you go. The bubble. Yeah, it's better. Better than the little itty bitty ones early. Oh, it's a striper. That's why it feels heavy. It's not even that big. Thanks. Stripes. Going?
Yeah,
Nice.
drop shot actually.
Yeah, perfect.
I mean, not a fatty, skinny,
But big, yeah, big mouth.
long john. These things are grubbing, dude. He spit up so much shad. actual waves. How big is that? Is that the battleship?
Corner in that bait, huh? Oh yeah, right there. Yep.
Maybe spot lock here, yeah?
That's exactly what I want this frickin' Sammy. I got hit. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah.
Okay.
No, the Sammy. I might have got him sideways though. No. Is that a freaking largemouth? There it is. Look at that little chunk, dude. He's a little fat little short dude. Dang. Oh my god, there's a million fish here.
Oh, that's why the bait all pushed back in here, dude.
Yep.
Oh, crazy. Oh, there's 7, 8 of them. What?
They are stacked in this boat. Oh, they're chasing it like I can't even reel it down.
Little stripey for ski. Just got right off that wall. Oh, coming out of the water for it. Look at that. Oh yeah. Ah, he got a little strip. Yeah. Oh, just missed. Yeah, he's nuts. Nuts. Look at these crazy guys. Crazy.
Got it.
Nice.
Got one. Ooh, decent one.
Oh my god.
Double up.
They're on it. Oh, you keep missing. That one. Oh yeah. A little bit bigger. We got doubles.
Hold them up.
Doubles. Yeah. Let's go. Stripies. Mm-hmm. Oh, they're on it. They're just stacked right there. Look at that, dude. So freaking competitive. Might, you know, keep doing it. Might be able to get a bigger one to come up. That one's actually chunky. Strike bait. Yeah. Oh. Oh, that's a big fish. Nice guy hit.
There's a big one blowing up out there.
Okay, all right, guys. Freaking vicious. Go. Little striper. Crazy striper. Oh, you got followers. I can see at least one. Be a largie. Be a largemouth. Oh yeah, yes.
Largie?
Yeah, finally. A little chunky one. Not really though. Gosh darn it. Not too good. There's a little dude. Fought hard though. Finally a largemouth. Little ball. Little guys off. Hey, largie. Let's go, baby. Woo! Same guy I just caught. Yeah. Largie, let's go. Oh. Yeah. How are they missing it?
They're tiny babies.
They're just sitting there. They come in. Look at, like, I hit it just sitting there, bro. Oh, actually, hold on a second. Might be an upgrade. Oh, don't come off, don't come off. Yes, let's freaking go. Yes. No. That's an upgrade for sure. Yeah. Yeah. Look how long and skinny he is. Largie on the walking bait. Yeah. Up in the rocks, huh?
Yep, all the way in the shadow there.
Nice, dude. I love that.
Largie.
Oh yeah. He's a nice chunky one.
Little largie.
Yeah.
Long
Another one of
and,
those.
long and skinny.
Yeah. Big head, little skinny body.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Got one. On that worm. That's a good one.
Yeah, it's a drop shot specialist.
Oh, is that small? This is my first drop shot fish I've caught in like 2 weeks. I can get him in the boat.
I think I caught a couple drop shots today.
Yeah, you did. I think this might be smaller. Freaking jumping miles. Hey, it's a star coming too, dude. Green? Let's go, baby.
Competition.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There we go. There we go.
That was smaller.
That did, didn't it? Oh, it's a good one. It's a good one. No, that's not a good one. Fat guy, yes. Yeah. Super pause. Yeah. It's healthy. Look at that.